be dirty. Come on.
Yeah, we need motherfucking AutoZone looking for some paint. I guess they don't, oh, the paint over here. Yeah. We need that plastic dip. Oh, yeah, right here. Yep, they got 3 of them. I'm saying, would you talk to me the right way?
You really keep the mops.
Not
your bad foot.
Draco hit him in the booty, not the motherfucking barefoot. What you looking for, Greg?
I was looking at that motherfucking, you know what I'm saying? You know, the can in and take, you know.
Damn, that bitch high.
I know that bitch.
That bitch fooling out.
You know how we get you.
What they now?
Well, you go get you a leg maker.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Talk to me the right way. I really need some pure white fog lights.
Some pure white fog lights.
Yeah.
I need some new, you know.
I need some fog. Hold on, let's go over there. He ain't, you know, he on the age.
Oh, yeah,
you know, he little boy. Motorcycle gang outside. Damn, they got the motherfuckers. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they hiring no full-time, part-time, you know what I'm saying? 401k plan. You see her, she happy. She like her job. Maybe y'all can like y'all job, you know what I'm saying?
Full-time or part-time.
Yeah, full-time or part-time. You wanna fuck around? Lap the bitch then. Yeah, just scan the code. Just scan the code. Y'all can have a job by tomorrow. Mm-hmm. And you get deals, nigga. You get 25% off.
Store manager, Caleb Freeman.
If y'all ever have any problems, call them motherfuckers.
They gonna get you right.
Oh shit. As y'all can see, man, we just left AutoZone, and I'm finna plastic dip these chrome rims and finna show y'all how to do it. But actually, this is my first time ever plastic dipping, but I know how to paint, so I'm pretty sure if I know how to plastic dip, I mean, if I know how to paint, I can plastic dip. Y'all see that bit? That bit been sitting in the garage for a little minute. But yeah, man, y'all stick by. I'm finna show y'all step by step and everything. First, I got Dawn soap, and I'm finna clean the wheels. Put a little water in there with I ain't gonna lie, man. It kind of came out good as a bitch, though. No cap. It still look matted black a little bit because I got to put the clear coat on there. But right now, I'm just spraying the paint right now. But I did 2 of them. I'm going to come back and hit that one, let that one dry for a little bit. Let that one dry for a little bit. See if I missed any spots. And I'm finna get started on these 2 to at least get a, you know what I'm saying, to start on them just a little bit. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Y'all let me know how it look. We finished this side. We almost finished with that wheel back there. And we got one more and then we're gonna be finished. But this was like a 30, 40 minute job. Just knocked it out the way right quick. It don't take too long to plastic dip. Y'all let me know how they look. Y'all hit me up if y'all want y'all rims, brakes, and color match done. I do all that, man. Y'all hit me up. Just the finished product. Y'all let me know how it look. Look good to me. Blacked out rim. He said he want his bumper and like all the other chrome shit black too. So he gonna black it all and everything. Front bumper and the grill and everything. But y'all let me know how it look, bro. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You heard? YouTube! We back with another video. I'm fucking up. Come on.
Let me tell you something.
YouTube!
How y'all doing? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy.
My turn.
YouTube! Okay, shit.
Bitch, we back with another banger. Y'all see what's going on, you know what I'm saying? Your boy just chilling in the crib right now.
Real talk.
My turn.
YouTube!
Oh, yay!
Back with another video. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy,
Ty, so, Oh, motherfucking Hellcat! We forgot to add the Hellcat! We got the Hellcat! The Hellcat!
Oh my God.
You see? Let me feel that bumblebee on that seat.
That bitch feel like a Huggy Bear.
Ooh, get your ass right. Fucking Huggy Bear. Yeah, heard me. Y'all see y'all, boy.
okay, you know what I'm saying? I might have to join all white.
Huh? All white cocaine? What you see all white cocaine? Ah! What you see old white cocaine?
All white cocaine. I might have to join that all white cocaine.
Oh yeah, you know what that mean. That's a new car. Ah, let me put this on for y'all right quick. We gonna get right back. Hey, look at that white dangling outside. Y'all see that white dangling outside? Yeah, y'all, we bored, man. We ain't got shit going on. Look at the sky. It's a New Year's, and why is it so foggy? Gloomy. It's a gloomy ass motherfucking New Year's. This ain't no good start. This a sign right here. Over yonder.
Over yonder.
Yeah.
Car foot.
What you got in there?
What you got in there? Oh, dang.
What is? You ain't got no candy? Whoop. Ain't got nothing in there. Man, we gonna go get the bag, man. We waiting on Riley, man.
He doing something for his mama. Man, but we could have went. I should have told you, but I got a key for that room now. So like, if I would have told you, go get that bitch.
Shut ugly ass flying back down there.
I gotta give y'all one of these. We gotta go make another key for that room.
Shit, let me see. Ty said we're gonna get a key made. Y'all want one?
Yeah, I want
They're gonna charge you $10,000. I see you, baby. Come on here and wave like a gangster.
You got to. You see real niggas better.
Look at Kayla getting right over here. Vlogging type shit. You heard me?
Boy, shit.
Check out. Oh, he got them bitches on.
He got them bitches on.
Boom, I got them bitches on. Boom, he got them fuckers down. He got them fuckers on. You know I know how to dance like that.
Okay.
I got a flat top too. Look, I'm gonna go get some ties. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God.
Go for y'all.
Okay.
Heard that thing, boy? That thing sound like a motherfucking beast coming out the fucking cage in that bitch.
Yeah.
Okay. Sound like a beast. Boy, I ain't hear that motherfucker how that bitch. I stepped on it and then it got quiet and then it. That's what that bitch just did. But why you ain't vlogging, bitch ass nigga?
I ain't got my shit.
You don't need that.
I don't. But see, y'all
Right
now.
He always making excuses.
Oh, they call my phone. Hello?
You gotta get anything from the outside? I'm gonna close it. We're gonna go through the front door. Woo! That's how you do it. Okay, look. What you had to clean your car or some shit? Y'all make sure y'all subscribe. Y'all hit that subscribe button. We almost at 1,000 subscribers. The beginning of the year. 1K. 1K. Ooh, look at all that water bottle, boy. You stay hydrated. Oh, you don't even get nothing out there?
Nah, I ain't got nothing out there.
That front door locked, man.
How y'all Marrow niggas do it? Marrow is a two-seater. This back seat is not a real seat.
Yeah, I don't know why they got
this
a seat back
there.
there.
A baby seat back here.
It ain't even fucking a baby seat.
Baby
Yeah.
shit. Damn, I ain't got no room to
I
breathe.
like this. Nice tripod. I ain't lying. I might steal this one. I might steal this, Big Caleb. You heard? Look at my dream truck. Big GMC 2500 HD Sierra. Big dually, big Duramax, big Delete, big Delete, big Diesel, big black smoke coming out the pipe, big 26 about 14, big lift kit, big rock lights, big everything. Oh, I ain't lying, it be smooth. Smooth, it be smooth as a bitch, you heard me? I wanna tell y'all Happy New Year's, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all have a good New Year's and shit, you know what I'm saying? I hope all y'all get to that bag. I hope all y'all get, you know what I'm saying, get to that bag or whatever you gonna do. I hope you become successful in it, you heard? And that go for anybody, you heard? Everybody.
Big bag, you heard me? Big bag coming 2023, you know what I'm saying? Big moves, got a whole lot of things coming.
Show them the view, nigga.
You heard me? We in this motherfucker.
Damn, nigga cut me off.
Camaro SS, my nigga.
Yeah.
You heard me?
I'm gonna run her over.
Man. Y'all, look at my leg.
I'm about like 6'1".
Hey, I'm about 6'1".
This ain't for me.
Okay.
This ain't for me. This shit too small.
Oh, the seat down. Who the hell dropped? Who that is in that car? Who that is sitting in that car like that? Who that is?
What it is?
My phone ring. Who is this? I don't know, but I know they in my business.
Copyright.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
How I'm gonna record? How I'm gonna play music? Ooh, boy, you bitch, that bitch got that motherfucker cartoon. That bitch ain't stop. You pants up that third, you supposed to bust. You suck. You see, don't get no fucking Camaro, cause it's too fast. This nigga done pants up his turn.
Yeah.
You know? Too fucking fast, bro. Couldn't even turn, bro. Damn, bro. Y'all hear that? Popcorn.
Yeah.
It feel good in here, boy.
Shit, no. Damn, I know
Go
you
that
way.
We finna be all type of.
We would never get into my
We
shit.
ain't never getting back.
Fuck.
We finna go to Zachary.
For real.
When got his phone, when got his tripod.
Get my shit, man.
And now even fucking recording.
Oh, see, I'm waiting until we get out this bitch. I don't like to be bunched up in this
Man,
motherfucker.
tell that man you start the video wherever you at. Start your video wherever you at. Caleb over here trying like a whole man. Big 200 on the dash. The quality while I'm looking at right now, recording off the phone, that shit look good as a bitch. That shit look pressure. But soon as I fucking upload this video, some shit be looking ass. Y'all let me know how to fix that, or that's just how it is on the phone when you recording. But I'm gonna go get me a camera, dude. Soon when I get the little money for it, I'm gonna go get me a camera. And I'm gonna record on camera, because the quality, son, that's the main thing that you really want in a video. Is your quality. So when my quality really pressure, my video's gonna be pressure. Like, my shit probably be pressure now. But that quality, that quality just gonna, and you know what I'm saying, that fucking audio. Bro, when that fucking quality and that audio on motherfucking point, I'm coming through, watch, cause I'm busting through the club.
Yeah.
Boy, I don't know you went on about audio. Wow. But anyway, son, bro, when I get that fucking camera and that motherfucking audio on point, ooh, my fucking videos gonna be pressure. And they gonna make everybody want to subscribe. See, right now, everybody don't want to subscribe, but you better subscribe. So we going up. Cause this shit gonna be hard. Everybody ready to subscribe. But when I get that camera, y'all better smash that motherfucker. Y'all better put all on the fucking post notifications and everything. Look at Caleb Ball on the other side of the road. Ooh, boy, I would have been shit if that fucking bullet would have been over. Like, stop the car, Caleb. I'm gonna get the fuck. I'm gonna get out this bitch. Alright, man, Caleb, you better keep going. Don't stop. Why? Keep going. You gonna see why. But yeah, man, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and turn on y'all post notifications, and then y'all can just comment, bro. Comment what y'all want to see, man. Let me know what y'all want to see on the fucking channel, bro. Don't be scared, bro. You ain't gotta be shy, bro. Talk to me. Let me know what you want to see on the channel to make me a better YouTuber, a better person, a better upcoming YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? A better content creator, bro. I'm new to this. Better and better every day by the day and the day by the day. God damn, look at them. God damn. They said fuck you. They just wanna come. They said fuck that. Damn, she just kept coming out.
She wanna hit my shit.
Oh, that's a nigga. He said fuck us. That little bitch got a little growl to it. Ooh, that is right through the neighborhood sounding out fast and stuff. Boy, I ain't lying, son. Boy, I ain't lying, son. Them white cars, pressure. That bitch right there, pressure that just passed by. Ty, you need to get you a white car, son.
I am somebody.
Them white cars, you didn't see that white bitch that just passed?
I'm looking at the white one right now.
Yeah. This one look better.
Oh, that mug under.
Mm-hmm.
Dummy! Start coming forward with our channel. It's gonna be up from there.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna be the real big YouTubers, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And about give me a couple months, I bet your boy gonna be holding that goddamn red eye. That red key. It's cool though, I ain't even gotta hold a red key, nigga. I can't hold a motherfucking Lambo key. Look at that. Shit, no. Call Riley and tell him.
What he told you?
He said he was waiting. Yeah, somebody must be here. No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
I'm telling you, you did.
I ain't there. Look at the view, man. We got the lake type shit. Got our little lights. Got our little sitting area. It's a little comfortable little area right here. Got our little furniture, you know what I'm saying? Little grill. We got our fishing poles. Got our other sitting area. We got our umbrella. Looking at. I'm pointing out everything, huh? Let me go by the water right quick. Yeah. Y'all gotta pay me $1,000 to jump in this water. And I don't know how to swim. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Y'all heard me? Y'all subscribe to his channel, Ty So Fly.
It's your boy Ty So Fly, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.